Every great loaf begins with a starter, that living, bubbling culture that makes sourdough magic. But starters, unpredictable. Sometimes they're sluggish. Sometimes they peak too fast. What if you never had to guess again? Meet Crustello, the world's smartest sourdough starter bowl. Precision sensors built right into the lid track your starter's rise, temperature, and activity, and tell you exactly when it's at its peak. No more babysitting, just a reliable, healthy starter every single time. And once your starter is ready, it's time for the next step, transforming it into dough. That's where most recipes get vague. Let it rise until doubled. Cool. But when is that? Crustello knows. We designed a second bowl just for this stage. Same removable sensor. You simply move it from your starter bowl to your dough bowl. And just like that, Crustello now guides you through bulk fermentation, proofing, hydration, and resting. The stages that define your bread, pizza, and pastries. But here's where it gets really good. Crustello connects to a dedicated mobile app over Wi-Fi, so you can monitor everything from anywhere. You're at work, on the go, or just away from the kitchen, no problem. The app gives you live tracking, instant notifications, and smart suggestions. Like when your dough is rising faster than expected, move it to the fridge in the next hour. That's Crustello, not just data. A baking coach in your pocket, Crustello introduces powerful tools like a dough calculator, fermentation history, and personalized insights to make every bake more consistent. This seamless connection between bowl and app makes Crustello more than a gadget. It's a complete baking ecosystem where every detail is crafted with purpose, from the bowl shape and volume to the materials that feel just right in your hands. We spent years building precision motorsport GPS systems, accurate to the centimeter. Now we're pointing that same obsession for precision at your sourdough. Crustello features a vibrant display, over 100 hours of battery life, and a design built to last. Not just a bowl, not just an app, a baking companion that always knows when your starter and dough are ready. Now, we're ready to share it with you, because baking isn't just about flour and water. It's about connection, creativity, and the joy of making something together. Join us and bake smarter, better, and more consistently than ever before with Crustello.